Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video I will be doing a haircut and color. If you would like to learn how I obtain these results, then please keep watching. Okay, this is what the hair looks like in the beginning. I don't know if you can see that, but I believe the bangs are kind of like uneven, so I'm going to go in and correct that. So right here, I'm just going in and trying to lay the hair flat against my head so I can see how much I need to take off. Right there, I was just showing you how much excess that would be on your left hand side that needs to be taken off to make it even with the other side. So I'm just going to work that out for a second here. And you can just watch and see what I'm doing. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to go into the color. The color I'm going to use is Clairol Beautiful Collections Gray Solutions 4R Mahogany Red. Here is the hair after I've shampooed it with a clarifying shampoo. And right now I'm just shaking up the color so that it's nice, it's evenly emulsified, so that it be even throughout. So I'm going to start here in the front because basically all of the hair is highlighted in the top area, so I don't really have to do the entire head. I'm just going to focus on where the blonde is, which is, it shouldn't be too much hair because it's just on the top. Okay, right here I'm just showing you that I'm making sure that I coat every strand. I'm just massaging it with my fingertips, opening up the hair to make sure every strand is coated so that I'll have a nice even result. So that's what I'm doing here. It looks like I'm kind of running out, so I'm just going to have to try to brush that through. I would have thought that one bottle would have been enough, but it wasn't. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so what you're going to see me do here is try to drag the color down even further to the ends, and basically you just see what I'm doing as far as like trying to get that color nice and evenly coated. I'm going to let the hair process for the recommended time. I believe it was 25 minutes at room temperature, and once I've done that, then I'll show you the results. Okay, right here I'm just showing you what the hair looked like before I colored it. And here's what the hair looks like after. I'm not really a fan of it because it has like it's just like an orangey red. When I think of mahogany, it certainly isn't of this color. I was thinking of something more on the lines of this. Kind of like it has a plummy tinge to it or something, like a violet red. Right here I'm just showing you a close-up. You can see it has like a orangey copperish tone to it, and I wasn't expecting that at all. I'll give you a little close-up here. I mean, it is a nice color, but it just isn't something that I was looking for. So I went to look at the swatches again, and indeed it does has like an orangey look to it. And I was kind of like disappointed because when you read the label, it doesn't say orange or copper. Right here I'm just showing you, okay, just making sure that that I cut it even, the bangs. That's what I was doing right there. But I don't know if you can see the tonal difference. In the front where I started the color, it has a violet-y color. That looks more mahogany in my opinion to me. And I'm going to show you the sides. See how different it is? And then on the sides it's more coppery orange. Well, let me know what you think about the color in the comments down below. As for the color, I'm not really a fan of it. It's not what I was expecting, and it's definitely not what I wanted. So I'm going to have to redo the color in a subsequent video, and I'll be posting that pretty soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.